Well, guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. Managed all my losses. I don't have a lot of big losses. I started red because of NIO trade. I kind of got stuck in here. I just risked, it's not really half actually. I got probably a third of my original risk. So I recognized that it's really going to drop. So I stopped at VWAP. Stopped out here, and yeah, DKNG was probably the best one out of everything. So caught most of the move. I moved about $3.85. I tried a few times, but yeah, I caught a few of it. The bad thing about it was I was long, so I took a profit in there. I got stopped, took profit again, and I just flipped. I see here, I flipped my position here. So because for the loss of VWAP, so recognizing this pattern is pretty good. Sometimes when you see it fails in round number, you can just probably either get in early, like what I did here. I was break even at this point, and then I probably re-shorted again and got stopped. I can't remember what happened here, and then I shorted it. I shorted. This did prop short, got stopped, re-shorted, and then there you go, added, and then I'll show you in a bit. Yeah, that was a good move. So I reached my goal in this part. Plug was probably the best. So as you can see here, my top list, top 3 picks are DKNG, Plug, and Neo. Neo is actually in the bottom, so yeah, it's just sometimes hard. So what else? It moved about DKNG moved about $3.85. That's the range, and then ATR is 441. That's a daily ATR. So it moved about one daily ATR. Plug also moved more than one ATR, and Neo was just chopping. As you can see, our RVOL here is just 100%. So it means it's not much. I prefer if it's above 200 for RVOL for me to trade. So it means there's people trading it, traders trading it. So yeah. Nothing much, nothing fancy. I would want to trade this long actually at 59, but I just can't do it because I don't want to give back, and it's already 11 o'clock Eastern time. Yeah, so before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for more updates and follow me on my social media accounts. So I post my daily recaps here and everything. So, like my video, maybe like it and follow me on my social media accounts, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. So yeah, let's watch. Yeah, I actually almost forgot to record this. Yeah, almost. See, I recorded at 9:30. Almost forgot. So let's just fast forward this because this might take a while. As you can see in the first minute, the plug is probably the best 1 minute or out of everything. As you can see here, DKNG moved about $1.25. So I stayed away because that's a crazy move. But the first minute, I don't like trading that kind of move. Plug is 1 minute or winner out of everything, but I did not trade it. So I ended up trading Neo, risking 40 cents actually. So that's really wide one. Move too much, so I risked the whole range. I was like, oh, got in a bit too early, and it looks like it's working. I thought it's gonna work actually, so I kind of didn't like that wick there. There you go, and then I just decided to just stop out half, not really half, actually 1/3 of my position. So after that, I was actually looking around which ones to trade. So what's this? So I'm out Neo, Plug. There you go, plug. So I'm just looking at DKNG for a long here at VWAP. Was risking, I don't know, maybe 50 cents. I don't know how much I was risking in there. So there you go. It's a rejection of VWAP, round number 6150. I took a bit of profit in there. I was looking at high of day, it's 62.45. I'm still too far from it. I just decided to stop out and then maybe try again. It looks like it's I want a good price. That's why I just stopped myself out. I really want a good price, but still it's FOMO there. There's no sign in 62 here. I said, oh, why? Not much sign, so I just flipped my position to short, risking probably 50 cents. I can't remember. There you go. So I was probably back in green here now when I recognize it's, I'll show you how I flip. Normally when I flip a stock, okay, I'll show you how I flip stock. Okay, so here, let's see how much I risked here. Come on. It's very dangerous, but I find it like it's working when I'm flipping position. So here I took $1. This one is $1 risk. So my average is 61.96. So $1 risk will be around 61 area. Let's say 62 and 61, right? So that's because I got stop here. So I had to put my stop wider, and I'll probably just add. My plan was to just add of high of day, add here in high of day. I took $1 risk. So my stop will be somewhere here. I even canceled it because it's too wide. So I thought if it breaks 62, then it's probably going to continue. But then I recognize it's really failing with VWAP. So what I did is I risked 50 cents here. So as you can see here, 61.66, 61.67. So 62.17 will be my risk rate. So when I'm flipping, instead of risking $1, then I risk 50 cents. So we'll take my long position and then flip it to short. Not sure if that makes sense. So now my risk is actually 50 cents, but still $1, right? Because yeah, never mind. I'll explain that next time. So I took profit in there. I'm kind of back in green-ish, but still not enough. Caught most of the move there. Stopped out, and I was really looking if it's really going to continue at 62. There you go. Took another one, another stab, 50-cent risk. Not really working. Hoping for 61. Yeah, 50-cent risk. I stop out. But this time I'm down because of that stop out. I tried again. 50-cent risk. Come on, 61. Give me 61. There you go. That's the one I was hoping for. I see a large order in there. A low of day. Come on. I'm just taking profit. So I'm up 1 to 1 in 1 hour now here. I was just hoping for 60, 61. It looks like someone's trying to hold this price. Profit again. Back at break even. And like I get back some more profit there. And I was looking at my P&L if what's the best strategy here. Probably re-enter somewhere here if it goes back. If I got stopped, there you go, I got stopped. I'm back in green, really small green. Risking 61 for 61.50 for another break. There you go. A lot of partials in there. Those are just 10%. Trigger happy again. The 60.50, that's the one I was looking for. I'm back green, pretty good. I was actually thinking what to do in here. Oh man, that's a really bad ad. And stop out. I'm still green. Yo. Yep. See, I can't remember what I did here. I think I wanted to risk another 50 cent for a risk of 61.50. There you go, 61 actually. Wow, that's a really risky trade, what I did there. I think I was telling myself if I get stopped out here, I'm done. I'm just gonna stop. I'm green, but if I get stopped here, I'll be down 1 hour. And I'll just stop. It looks like I felt like I'm kind of over trading at this point. But I'm so lucky it worked. I'm looking for signs if it's really gonna go. There's no signs at 50. There's a bunch here, but not much. Small profit in there just to ease myself. I'm kind of itching to get out. Average is 60.53. I almost got stopped because I I prefer to end up break even or a small green than to give back my profit. There you go. So this is where I was taking 25% now. Yeah, there you go, 25%. Probably, there you go. Took most, probably 59, 60-ish. Somewhere I added, I remember, I still have a good amount of shares here, but I just want to add. Okay, it's a pretty good profit. Since I started really red, I just want to get a good profit and then just stop. And it said 60.34. Look at that ad, it's baller. There you go. 60.34. I was just risking like a few cents. 60.40 is my risk high of that candle. It worked really great. That made my day, actually. It's a pretty good trade. 60 is my kind of my target. I was being patient there. There you go. Good job. I took half of what I added, holding still a good amount of shares. Come on. This time I'm happy that I'm gonna hold 59.60. I'm gonna, yep, the profit round number. Come on, break the round number. Not really breaking round number. Yeah, there you go. I should have taken more in there. It's kind of averaging 40 cents, right? As you can see here. So every candle is averaging 40 cents ish, 40, 30 cents. So you can kind of risk 50 cents or 40 cents if you want. But I don't, yeah, I have 40 cents. There you go. Took some profit. Another one in here. I'm almost all out my shares actually. The 60.39 is my average after this ads, because I added a bit heavy here. After taking most of my profit here, I added heavy here. 60.39 is my profit. There you go. Should be taking more in here. 59.20 area. I should be. I did not. Oh, I did. So I'm almost all out. Probably one last partial. I'm seeing big orders at 59. It looks like it's gonna go, but it should be pulling back at 60 area before it breaks 59. I think that's how I read it. Probably add here now, or 59, 59.82 area, then probably take profit. But yeah, I mean, there's like a daily, not daily, previous day close level here, and there's round number here, so probably add somewhere here for this, and the risk $60. When I round numbers makes my life easy when I trade. Yeah, there you go. So it should take profit here now. So I'm all out. Wow, what a day. So yeah, I know there's like ask and bids here waiting, but it looks like it's already overextended. But I don't think I would wanna short it again. I've tried so many times, short here, short here, short here, and I don't want to chase it. Yeah, it's not a bad day. Could have done better, but yeah, who knows. But you know what we can do is we can probably watch plug, see how we should have traded plug. Plug is, there you go. Plugged open about not much volume. That's the thing. That's why I did not really trade it. As you can see here, 186, right? 700,000, 800,000. This is probably would want to took it long. Yeah. And break of 15 as well. Oh my god, see that? 15. Maybe risk 20 cents or 10 cents actually, but yeah, whoever took this plug, pretty good. Let's see if it's gonna break on 15. You going to break? Password bit. Yeah, that was a really good 1 minute orb. It's rejected. It's probably gonna bounce at 1482 VWAP unless there's like a really big ask in there. There you go. It looks, it's trying. There you go. 10 cents. Normally when it breaks, it gives you 10 cents. Actually 9 cents. Yeah, there you go. Whoever took this trade, congrats. But yeah, did not take it, sadly. And then I think it just went all the way up. I'm all the way up. Nothing can stop me. Monday, should just sing and have fun. Green Day. Yeah, so that was a good one. Wow, Neo, I think some people probably got trapped in Neo. Yeah. I think here. Yeah, so I was in a bit early actually, 9:30 52. Didn't really work. You know, when you recognize it, stop out half, VWAP, that's it. So yeah, you know, nothing really fancy, nothing really, you know, exploding 1 minute orb explosions. You know, when these days happen, you kind of have, if you're trading just 1 minute orb, I don't think it's really good, because unless you're just, you know, like playing like a gambling, you win today, tomorrow you lose, you win today, tomorrow you lose. So you might need to find a strategy if 1 minute orbs doesn't really work. So like for me, if it doesn't work, I look for other ones that might work. You know, like 5 minute orbs, reversals, round number rejections, high of day breakout, low of day breakouts. So those are the things I do. Like today, like this one, right? So my NIO failed. So what I normally do is look for 5 minute orbs. So before 5 minute actually started, I took it long for 62.50. If it breaks 62, I said it's gonna go 62, but it didn't work. So you have to recognize if it doesn't work, get out, get out, get out. You have to recognize, and there's VWAP here, and I said, okay, if it's really making lower lows, then it's really gonna break VWAP or a low of day break, right? See, low of day break. So some people might find this, I don't know, like over trading, but you know what? I don't know. It works for me. I don't know if it's really over trading if you're making money, but you know, I'm a developing trader. I'm not a professional day trader, right? So somehow at some point I can kind of read prices. I can kind of read time and sales, where it's going, if it's gonna drop, like this one. Like when I saw that it's really rejecting 62 and then VWAP is here. Oh, okay. And I said, then I'll risk 50 cents, maybe $1. I can't remember what. So I'm just risking this range because I know if I took it long here, if it makes 62 again, then I'm just going to stop. So I know in myself, I'm going to stop. Kind of over trading, but it's kind of over trading, but somehow you're just riding the momentum and riding where the stock is going, right? So yeah, you have to be fast the way I trade it. I don't trade moving averages or whatever, but I'm just trading lines and VWAP. So there you go. When I saw that it got rejected, because before entering here, as you can see here, before entering short here, I was actually thinking if it's really getting rejected. See this wick here got rejected, so I took it short again. I think that I got stopped here. I took it short when I saw it got rejected here when I stopped out, right? So I took it short, took profit. I got stopped again. 6150 is a kind of like a round number, and then I recognized it's really having a hard time breaking 6150 for a long, right? So I recognized it, took it short again, risking 62 probably. Took profit, round number again. Yeah, you just have to read if when a certain price gets rich, and then you see if it's really getting rejected at time in sales or level 2. Sometimes you will see it if rich number on when you're long or short, you will see it in time in sales if it's reacting. Yeah, that's probably the right word, if it's reacting. So I probably don't make a lot of R's every day, but if I make 1-2% a day, I'm happy. I'll be happy. Like The only problem I have is if I give back 3 hour, 5 hours in a day. So that's probably the bummer. And sometimes, before I risk I risk a month of profit before. So because I did not accept my losing trade, did not stop out. So that's your only enemy when you're scalping like this kind of trade that I do. Giving back all your profits because you're not stopping out. As you can see here in my trade, I stop out a few times, right? Long, stop out. Long, stop out. It's just looking at it, it's just terrible. Lame trades, but I'm just minimizing my risk. Some of you might hate this. I know, whoever's watching, some of you might really hate this, but I'm just being protective of my profit or of my gains, my monthly gains, yearly gains. Just I've been there before. Like I just held this and then probably could just go up to 62 again. I'm talking nonsense. You know what to do. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more updates. And follow me on my social media accounts. And if you can, please, 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 please subscribe to my channel. Again, I'm saying that over and over and over. If you like this video, please hit like or share it to your friends. Right? Have a good day. Cheers.